In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 5 power-packed Indian foods, which are not at all expensive and very easily available, along with their recipes. So keep watching the video till the end. Namaskar, I'm Lata Sabarwal and thank you so much for watching my channel, Life Influence. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then watch my video. If you like it, then do hit the subscribe button. Most of the Indian foods boost immunity. Dry spices have a lot of medicinal value, thus a lot of health benefits. We have a wide variety of cooking oils available. If we use different type of cooking oils, then we get all the needed essential fatty acids. Indian foods are not very expensive and are very easily available. A judicious mix of all our vegetables, fruits, grains and pulses fulfill the daily nutritional requirement of our bodies. Dalia or broken wheat. It is rich in fiber, so reduces cholesterol and aids in weight loss. It is a complete meal when cooked with vegetables. It is a very good source of micro and macronutrients. Dalia is a very good source of protein. Sprouts help in weight loss, boost blood circulation, good for heart, great source of protein, build our immune system. Amla or gooseberry. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, reduces bad cholesterol, has anti-aging properties, improves immunity, aids digestion. Ragi or nachni, finger millet. It is a very rich source of calcium, rich source of fiber, aids in weight loss, has natural iron, so it is very good for people who are anemic. It is gluten free. Amaranth, Rajgira or Ramdana. It is high in antioxidants, aids in weight loss. It is gluten free naturally, high in protein, high in calcium. If you like the video, then do hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and follow me on Instagram.